What's up guys, my name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how you can use emojis in Movavi video editor to make your videos more lively and also more enjoyable to see. Now let's begin. Now I have two videos here that I'm going to use. I have just not two videos, I have three videos that I'm going to use here. So I'll just drop one in the timeline like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do, let me just play a little bit. All you need to do is so how do I access these emojis? There's the emojis like just the ones in Facebook, wherever, Twitter, and many other aspects. I just come here under stickers, then I just come to emojis here. There are so many emojis that you can use. There's this laugh emojis. There's this something, I don't know, something like frowning emojis. But in this case, maybe I want to use something like a very funny emoji like this one. So how do I go about it? You just come and drag it on your timeline here. Normally the emojis will always go to the text timeline, as you can see in my screen here. Now I'll just if you want the emoji to start at the beginning or at the middle, you just do this. You hold on, click and hold on and drag it just like that. Now I'll just click on the emoji, then I'll come here. You double click it, then you come. If you want to resize it, maybe you can just do something like this and put it somewhere there. Then you just play the video. Please subscribe here or watch my next. Now if I want to extend the emoji from end to end so that it fills the whole video, you can always just come and pull it in the timeline here. Maybe subscribe here. Like that. Then another thing about emojis, you can also do something called track motion, whereby you can make the emoji to follow maybe something like your hand. Like in this case, maybe I want the emoji to follow my hand, so I'll just position it somewhere here. Then I'll come to emotions here. Then I'll just do something called track motion. First of all, let me position it where I want it to be. Maybe somewhere here. Maybe somewhere here. Then I'll come to motion here. Then I'll just track. Let me cancel. I don't want to track my head. The moment I come to motion track, there's this aspect that comes here with something like a star. Now this one is position for what you want to track. Maybe I want to track my hand. I mean, it will be following my hand. When my hand goes like this, it will be following my hand like this. So what will you do? I'll just position it here so that it tracks my hand. Then I'll just click track. Then within a few seconds, it's going to track your videos. So after that, if I play my video, let's see how it goes. All you need to do is maybe it's following my hand, as you can see there. This more. Now when I take my hands down, it also goes down. See, when it comes up, see, just like that. So you can use emojis and track them in your videos just like that. Guys, subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. If you find value in my videos, you can give a comment in the comment section below. Have a nice day, but make sure you watch my next video here.